Welcome to AI Neural Machine Learning. Today, we delve into the Dow Jones Industrial Average, a cornerstone of global financial markets. We'll explore its rich history, significant milestones, and its profound impact on the economy and investors worldwide. Segment 1. Introduction to the Dow Jones Industrial Average, Visuals. Historical photos of Charles Dow and Edward Jones, early 20th century Wall Street scenes. Narrator. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, often referred to as the DJIA or simply, the Dow, was first published on May 26, 1896, by financial journalists Charles Dow and Edward Jones. Initially comprising 12 industrial companies, the index was created to serve as a barometer for the U.S. industrial sector's health. Site turn 0 search 6 visuals. Transition to modern-day images of the 30 companies currently in the DJIA. Narrator. Today, the Dow consists of 30 major publicly traded companies across various industries, reflecting the broader U.S. economy's performance. Segment 2. Historical milestones of the Dow, Visuals. A timeline animation highlighting key dates and corresponding stock market charts. Narrator. Let's journey through some of the Dow's most significant milestones. 1906. The Dow surpasses 100 points, signaling early industrial growth. 1928. The index expands to include 30 companies, a structure that remains today. 1972. Closing above 1,000 points for the first time, the Dow marks a major post-war economic achievement. 1999. The exuberance of the dot-com era propels the Dow past 10,000 points. 2017. The index reaches 20,000 points, reflecting sustained economic growth. 2020. Despite global challenges, the Dow closes above 30,000 points, showcasing market resilience. 2024. The Dow achieves an all-time high, closing above 40,000 points, underscoring its enduring significance. Site turn 0 News 20, Segment 3. Understanding the Dow's composition, Visuals. Logos and brief clips of the 30 companies within the Dow, emphasizing diversity across sectors. Narrator. The Dow's composition has evolved to mirror the changing U.S. economy. While it began with industrial giants, it now includes leaders in technology, finance, healthcare, and consumer goods, providing a comprehensive snapshot of economic health. Segment 4. The significance of closing milestones. Visuals. Stock market tickers, traders reacting to market movements, and news headlines announcing milestone achievements. Narrator. Closing milestones are pivotal, often influencing investor sentiment and market psychology. Surpassing thresholds like 10,000 or 20,000 points can boost investor confidence, attracting increased market participation. Segment 5. Factors influencing the Dow's movements. Visuals. Economic indicators, Federal Reserve meetings, geopolitical events, and corporate earnings reports. Narrator. Several factors drive the Dow's fluctuations, including economic indicators, data on employment, GDP growth, and inflation rates. Monetary policy. Decisions by the Federal Reserve regarding interest rates. Geopolitical events, global tensions and international trade agreements. Corporate performance, earnings reports and business developments of constituent companies. Segment 6. Recent performance and challenges, Visuals. Recent stock market charts, news clips on UnitedHealth Group, and Federal Reserve announcements. Narrator. Recently, the Dow has faced challenges, including its longest streak of daily losses since 1974, falling for 10 consecutive sessions. This decline was influenced primarily by the significant drop in UnitedHealth Group's shares, which fell more than 20% following the shooting of its insurance arm's CEO. This incident renewed scrutiny on healthcare practices, leading lawmakers to propose breaking up large healthcare companies. Site turn 0 News 20, Segment 7. The role of technology in the Dow, Visuals. Tech company logos, stock performance charts, and innovation imagery. Narrator. Technology companies have become increasingly influential within the Dow. For instance, Nvidia, which recently joined the Dow, has significantly impacted the index's performance. However, reports of anti-monopoly investigations and competitive pressures have introduced volatility. Site Turn 0 News 20, Segment 8. The Dow's relationship with other indices. Visuals. Comparative charts of the Dow, S&P 500, and Nasdaq. Narrator. While the Dow is a prominent indicator, it's essential to consider its performance alongside other indices like the S&P 500 and Nasdaq to gain a comprehensive understanding of the market's health. Segment 9. Critiques and limitations of the Dow. Visuals. Expert interviews discussing market indices, comparative charts. Narrator. While iconic, the Dow faces critiques. Limited scope. With only 30 companies, it may not fully represent the entire market. Price-weighted index. Companies with higher stock prices disproportionately influence the index, regardless of their market capitalization. Segment 10. The Dow's role in modern investing. Visuals. Financial advisors consulting with clients, individual investors monitoring portfolios, and the rise of index funds. Narrator. Despite critiques, the Dow remains integral to financial markets. It's a benchmark for investment performance and a foundation for various financial products, including index funds and ETFs. Segment 11. Future outlook of the Dow. Visuals. Futuristic cityscapes, emerging technology sectors, and evolving market trends. Narrator. As the economy evolves, the Dow will continue to adapt, potentially incorporating emerging industries and companies that reflect future economic drivers. Closing segment. Visuals. A montage of the New York Stock Exchange, global financial centers, and everyday investors engaging with the market. Narrator. The Dow Jones Industrial Average stands as a testament to the dynamic nature of the U.S. economy. Its milestones not only mark historical achievements but also inspire future possibilities in the ever-evolving landscape of global finance. Visuals. Fade out with the Dow's latest closing numbers and a call to action to subscribe for more financial insights. Narrator. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the Dow Jones Industrial.